Russian Aerospace Forces fighter aircraft has shot down one Mi-24 helicopter near Nikopol in Dnepropetrovsk region. Russian air defense means have destroyed 7 unmanned aerial vehicles near Brigadirovka, Grakovo, Suligovka, Andreevka, Babenkovo, Zavody and Lipchanovka of Kharkov region. In addition, 4 shells of multiple rocket launchers have been intercepted in the air near Lysychansk. In total, 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 146 helicopters, 1,727 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,287 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 797 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,290 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,820 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.